How to download and install Pixelmon mod for Minecraft. So first, just simply click on the link that I will put in the description below. And once you click on it, it will bring you right here on this website. And you just simply need to click on the version that you're currently playing on. So I'm currently playing on 1.20.2. So just simply click on that, download. And it will bring you right here, and you just simply need to wait for it and click on skip here on the top, and it will show you the download right there. So just simply download it. So just take note that you will need the Forge version of Minecraft of 1.20.2 right here, and I have a video on how to download Forge. You should check on that first. But if you already have it, you simply need to go to the mods folder of Minecraft, then just simply place the Pixelmon mod right there. So just place it right here. After that, you simply need to open up Minecraft. Now, as you can see, we're now right here. You simply click on single multiplayer, create a new world. So I'm just gonna name it Pixelmon. And just simply wait for the world to load. And as you can see, it worked, and that's how I basically download and install Pixelmon mod for Minecraft.